In AutoCAD, if you are drawing continuous shape like this, you should not be using the line command again and again. Instead, there is a much faster tool called POLYLINE. In just a few seconds, I'll show you how to use the PL command to draw continuous lines properly. Let's start with POLYLINE. Type PL and press enter. Start drawing a shape. As you can see, I'm drawing multiple connected lines. Now select it. The whole shape is selected as one object. Now let's do the same thing using the line command. Type L. Press enter. Draw the same shape. But notice carefully. Each segment is a separate object. If we try to select it, AutoCAD selects each line individually. Even though it looks the same visually, internally it is completely different. So, here's the main difference. Line command creates separate objects, harder to manage later. Editing becomes slow in complex drawings. In terms of polyline, single object. All segments connected. Much easier to edit and control. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Professional drafters use polyline because it makes drawing clean. It reduces mistakes. It works perfectly with trim and extend. It saves a lot of editing time. So, in real engineering drawing, polyline is used much more than line. Remember this simple rule. If you are drawing connected shapes or continuous lines, always use polyline, not line. It will make your AutoCAD workflow faster, cleaner, and more professional. In the next video, I'll show you how to move around your drawing easily with zoom and pan, so you never get lost inside AutoCAD again.